Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Little Fingers World. I hope you have a very wonderful Thanksgiving day. So today I'm gonna share with you the process I went through to replace the broken screen of an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So the next thing that we need to do is gather all the tools and materials. So we have the screen replacement bundle, and it's probably a good idea to have a screen protector this time, and the iCopy Plus tool that will keep your TrueTone phone feature copied to your replacement screen. So inside the screen replacement bundle, we've got the screen protector, the new screen, cleaning wipe, suction cup, and the screwdrivers. The screwdrivers in the bundle work well, but the opening tools aren't working for me, so I have to use the tools I have handy. I already have the dual handle suction cup, which really works well, and Jimmy, which is very useful in opening this phone, alongside a tweezer, spudger, and opening picks. Also, I bought this repair instrument last time I replaced a broken screen for iPhone 8, but didn't get a chance to use it. So I'm excited to finally get my hands on this one. This is supposed to copy the TrueTone display feature from the old screen to this replacement screen. The packaging says that it's also used to fix vibrator, light sensor phone features, and for battery testing. Just a heads up, you need to charge this before you can use it. Now that we've got all the tools and materials ready, we can start with our project by opening the phone. First off, we need to remove the SIM card and the tray, then remove 2 screws by the charging port. Just a heads up for those who want to try this at home, you need a tray or magnetic mat for your screws. It's easy to lose them because they are so tiny. Once the screws are removed, it's a good idea to put adhesive tape in the broken glass side of the phone for safety purposes. And it's actually advisable to wear safety glasses as well, since you're dealing with broken glass. Also, you don't have to cover the whole screen with tape, or else the suction cup won't work at all. In order for us to separate the broken screen from the rest of the phone, we need to warm up each side to soften the adhesive inside the phone. And while we are waiting for the adhesive to warm up, please do me a favor, like this video or subscribe this channel if this is helpful and informative in any way. As you can see, I'm using the eye opener tool, but you can actually use a hair blower, or some call it a hair dryer. Just be aware of the heat temperature, you don't want it to be super hot. As far as I know, it's always best to start from the bottom where the charging port is and work your way around. And always keep in mind to use your prying tools wisely. The suction cup gave us this tiny opening that our opening pick is too thick for it. This proves us that our suction cup is working, but we need a thinner opening tool. Good thing we have Jimmy here. It's too thin that gets in the opening without a hassle. We finally removed the broken screen assembly, and as you can see, our replacement screen does not have the speaker and light sensor assembly. So we're going to remove this assembly from our broken screen and transfer it to our replacement screen. And to do so, we have to remove the 3 screws over here. But for now, let me remove these old adhesives and then proceed to using the iCopy Plus repair tool to read and write the TrueTone feature to our replacement screen. I'd say the removal and the transfer of the speaker and light sensor assembly is one of the hardest processes that I've went through in this DIY project. So if you're planning to do the same project, I'd say be ready for the challenge. hours later. Alright, we did it, folks. To sum it up, we replaced the iPhone 11 Pro Max broken screen, copied the TrueTone display font feature, and lastly, we installed the screen protector with privacy feature. Once again, thank you for watching. Always remember, ang batang masipag, paglaki, pagod. Bye for now!